second night. Ridiculous, all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feet.
Alright, what's going down?
We are running some wires to the cage here, so we can have them all hidden.
Yep.
Make it look all nice and almost professional.
Yep, so that's what's going down. We are setting this car. Does this car look familiar? Take a look at it.
It's familiar to me. I can't remember where I've seen it before.
Right? It's so nice.
Like I worked on it before too.
It's so nice. I like it. Man, I like it. Wish, you know, in a different world, be in a different position where we could just have all the cars, but we don't have the time. Or money. Yeah, I could have kept it, but, you know, it makes it easier if I don't. And, and with, you know, with the events coming up, maybe it's for the best. So, but yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. So look at them shocks. Speaking of shocks, we're gonna do some tomorrow. Look at this guy, just sitting there waiting for some action. Right there, that guy. And we have the bench loaded down with stuff right now, but we look a new addition. So this is just the bench is loaded down with. I was going through some stuff, but there's nothing on the bench, right? It's just clear when we're working on shocks now. We got all this space for storage, shipping and receiving, not really, but and charging up there, and all the things. And it's awesome. That bench over there is a wreck right now because I just loaded it up. Brandy had cleaned it all up, but we are working on this. Yeah, but we are working on this car. So you know, stuff's got to be out for a minute at least. That's what's going down right there. Look at all that. So what's happening here is a 5150 lighted whip switch and a, where's the other one? And this guy right here for the comms. So to kill the comms. So you don't run down the batteries. That's what's going down in the Dandy garage today. Right? Anything else?
Maybe Kaya's car coming over a little bit later, but that...
He better get here before 2 o'clock.
Uh-oh.
He's got to get, we got to teach him how to get his still drunk butt up before.
He was up. I had to dump the trailer off.
Before noon.
I had to take my trailer over to the
hill. Was he sober yet?
Yeah, he was having breakfast.
He's having breakfast. All right. Well, we got to do this thing. We got to get back to work. Let's take a look at this. Look at that. There's the hood. There's the car. It's all right there. All right, what's going on here?
We are running some wires and we gotta maybe go to Harvester. We're going to Harvester?
Yeah, maybe. We got the AC on already. Look at all this. It didn't look like this was earlier.
What did you do?
Yeah, this is what goes down right here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, look. Where'd these come from? Just out of thin air right into the cage.
They spawned there.
Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so we are making progress. We got switch. See? Let's see. Wait. Let me zoom in. I got this new phone. Look at this. Wait. Bear with me. I don't know how to do this. Look at that. New rugged. Oh, man. Okay. Somehow, I feel like I could zoom in more, but I don't know how. Oh, yeah. Look at that right there. Rugged switch. 5150 switch. Pretty much all set up, at least for the radio. They're 100%. We're about to be done soon. All right. Look at that thing. Would you look at it?
He's looking down your butt, dude, right now.
Look. What's up with your car, dude?
Just doing some things.
What things?
5150s.
5150s.
Eyebrows and the flags.
Yep, look at that. Eyebrows. 5150 flags. Rigid light. Look at that.
The gray carpet for it.
Oh, yeah, you go. We'll put it right up to the driver's door. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Anyway, pretty cool. Nice car. It's all bling bling. Danny's been blinging it out for him. Oh, wow, look at that. That's a lot of jewelry back here. That is a lot.
Bedazzled.
Bedazzled.
Uriah.
Bougie Uriah.
But look at this. Look how this matches right into these MTS.
Yeah. Ned's gonna like that one right there.
Look at that MTS. Look at that. Look at that. It's like the stick. It's like his wrap was made to go with it. VKS, suspension, arms. What's going on? What are you doing, Danny?
So you're carrying some wires back here?
What, butt connectors?
Yes, butt connectors for your. Never mind. I
All
can
right.
see that on TV or on the channel
How come I don't see a 5150 switch?
because they didn't need one.
Oh, right here.
That has to go on.
Huh?
It's all hooked up to the accessory, so just turn it.
Oh, key.
Oh, the key has to be on.
Yep. Ow.
Oh, stop it.
Fat ass.
I barely even stepped on it. All right. Look at those lights. Oh, wait, you got to do the thing.
What's that?
The lights.
Oh, that one's unplugged.
That one's unplugged. It's kind of hard to see. It's pretty bright out here. Yeah, we had a little incident there. My bullet's butt out. One too many pop-pops on the two-step. I should probably take that out and clean up that thing before Pisma. I need to take it back to Clausen for a while. Let them detail it.
Yeah. They could have.
All right. How's it going?
Not good.
It's the bling bling.
It's a bling bling.
All right. We're done over here. Everything's soldered up. Lights work on this thing. We just got to button it up, button up the pumper. Well, we'll put the console back together, and we'll put the seats in. Then we can align the pumper, tighten it down. Yeah, this thing's looking good. We're almost back together. Pick up a few things down here, put the console back together. Yeah.